Garden maintenance and landscaping business, Carina, Brisbane. Making a profit of $70,000 to $80,000 per year for working 2 to 3 days a week, this business is a tempting opportunity. Located close to the CBD in a fast-growing area, the business is ripe for expansion. Currently, there are 180 residential and body corporate clients, with 50% of sales as profit. The demand is there to work 5 days a week and substantially boost your revenue. Receiving 5-star reviews, there is also potential to add a garden design service. This would suit someone seeking part-time work or wanting to buy an established business and grow it. The season is taking off, so now is the time to grab this business and expand. With the owner moving overseas, the price can include 2 vehicles and all the tools and equipment.